You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this pastry. Now, if you're looking at how to pronounce the French dessert or cake, well, specialty, with only one O in the spelling, stay tuned, I've got the video for you, I'll link to it at the end. And it's a different cookie or different biscuit in French. So this one is pronounced macaroon, macaroon, with a stress on the last syllable. Macaroon is the English pronunciation here, but I'll link to that video there. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.